Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the spy gear superstore. Today I want to talk to you about the Checkmate Infidelity Test Kit. I hope this at-home test kit helps you to gain the peace of mind you're looking for. But first, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel and ding the notification bell for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just click the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper right-hand corner, or click the link in the description below. The Checkmate Infidelity Test Kit is not complicated, but there are some key points you'll want to know before getting started. Be sure to follow the guides inside the package as they are super important. There are some vials of liquid and a powdered solution in the container, enough to perform between 5 to 6 tests. Also included are a couple of droppers and some blotting paper you can use to easily identify a positive or negative test result within 15 seconds. First, you take the liquid solution and wet the fabric. You may use these blotting papers to grab and transfer some of the stain, and once dry, you'll be able to test the paper for seminal fluid with a mixed solution of the liquid and powdered substances that come in the package. If you are not worried about staining the material, the combined liquid and powder solution can be applied directly to the fabric. However, it will work best with a white cloth. When combined, the solution is only viable during the first 24 hours after being mixed, so gather multiple bits of clothing or bedding for testing or use it up within that time. If you have any questions about the products in this video or anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Post a comment or a question down below in the comment section of this video and we will get back to you as soon as possible. On top of accepting all major credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, SpyCentre is now accepting other cashless, secure payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ding that bell for notifications on the newest tutorial and review videos. If you want to check out this product, I'm going to put the link in the top right-hand corner of the video and in the description below.